Christmas is all about family, love, and of course, amazing food. But what if you could make this year's holiday feast the most memorable ever with easy, mouth-watering recipes? Our ebook, Family Christmas Recipes, is your secret ingredient to a stress-free, delicious holiday. Inside, you'll find Christmas stuffing with bacon, crispy, savory, and bursting with flavor. Fig and orange glazed ham, a showstopper for your Christmas table. Brussels sprouts with pancetta, a festive twist on a classic. Creamed onion gratin, a creamy, cheesy delight. Carrot cake and ruby red velvet cake, sweet treats that steal the show. Sugar cookies and homemade peanut butter cups, perfect for holiday gifting. Whether you're hosting a big feast or making cozy memories, these recipes will bring the holiday spirit straight to your table. Make this Christmas extra special. Click the link now to grab your copy of Family Christmas Recipes and start cooking up the holiday magic.
Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button, subscribe and share with friends.